What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, folks, we have an intro video into Pundi X here. Currently sitting just below half, just below, down 5% for the day, just below half a penny. If we're looking at the BTC value, we're down 11%, sitting just below 50 satoshis. But what is Pundi, folks? The Pundi platform, as both a software and hardware full stack implementation, allows merchants to pretty much integrate point of sale devices and accept in lieu of purchase and sale of cryptocurrencies and sale of daily goods and services as well. So the hardware pretty much allows for smart card and mobile wallets, addressing the interoperability complexity. So basically, what means is Pundi X, Pundi X pretty much wants to be the 7-Eleven or the Walmart of crypto. So what I'm thinking is pretty much watch out Coinbase, because now if users are going to be crypto enthusiasts are pretty much going to be able to buy crypto from anywhere. I could literally go down to the 7-Eleven and trade my fiat for a Gatorade and I don't know, a couple of Ripple or some Litecoin or whatever it is that I'm looking for. Why is this important or why is this relevant? Is because most cryptos today can only pretty much be bought and used to buy other cryptos. So what Pundi's pretty much trying to do is they're trying to aim to bring the next billion users or the next billion crypto users. So I feel like this is a great idea. They're already, I believe, testing in some countries. Once they get to the United States, folks, I believe it's gonna blow. I mean, I feel like it's already gonna blow up. This is a great idea. I feel like this is definitely a threat to Coinbase. But the major exchanges here, folks: IDX, CoinRail, Coinbase, CoinNest, Bancorn Network, and DDX. Major volume carrier coming from the Ethereum decentralized network or the ERC20 tokens. This is a decentralized exchange, however, folks. But before we do that, guys, actually, let me click on their website. Before we run through that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 435 billion. Today's volume is 34.6 billion. Bitcoin dominates at 37%. Bitcoin up almost 7% for the day. Excuse me. Bitcoin up almost 7% for the day, sitting at 9,500. Ethereum up almost 10, sitting just above 700. Ripple up 8.5, sitting at 95 cents. Bitcoin Cash up 2. EOS up 33. This is the big one here. Nice. I'm pretty sure that's the big winner of the day. Litecoin up almost 9, Cardano up almost 9.5, Lumen's up almost 9.5, IOTA up almost 2, NEO up almost 10. Oh look, Tron up almost 32. That's probably one of the big winners too. EOS and Tron, bam, told you. Mixin up almost 30%. But you folks came here for some Pundi. Market cap sitting at 263 million. Today's volume is 8.5 million. Circulating supply 56 billion, I believe. Yeah. Total supply 62 billion. Let's go ahead and click on their website really quick. Any store can buy, sell, and accept cryptocurrency. So look at these little background images. Pretty cool. This is one of their products here. You can use their mobile wallets or you can use the cards they're going to provide for you guys. But I think this is a great idea. Mentioned on CNN, Take Asia, Take Crunch, Forbes, Quartz. Buying cryptocurrency should be as easy as buying a bottle of water. I agree. Pundi Solutions. You have the Pundi Pass to store your cryptocurrency. Store your cryptocurrency securely, buy and sell in a single swipe. The mobile payment integration so you can pay with your wallet. Top up supported, use fiat or bank card to buy cryptocurrency top ups at any Pundi X location. That's pretty cool. Why Pundi X POS? Pundi not only facilitates cryptocurrency payments or transactions, but also accepts transactions through mobile wallets and bank cards. Our POS solutions can support retail intelligence, inventory management, order management, marketing, and loyalty programs. Pundi X platform POS device is an all-in-one solution for retailers. Accept cryptocurrency as a payment, supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, ERC20, NPX, NAM, QTUM, ACT, and Lumens, and more. Support cryptocurrency wallet payments such as Kubo, X Wallet, NAM Wallet, and more. Support loyalty and membership management system. I can't even talk. Intelligent clearing system to increase the value of the store properties. Support cryptocurrency payment cards such as Pundi X Pass card. Selling and buying of crypto. So as you can tell, guys, this product does a couple of things. We got Pundi rewards here, roadmap, which we're currently in. So let's see. I believe they're trying to establish a location in Tokyo and Seoul here, and they're trying to open 2,000 units for individual pre-orders, and they're trying to deliver 4,000 for corporate orders. And then 300,000 X-Pass cards. Q3 here to establish 2 offices in North and South America. This is where I feel like it gets really, really interesting. I'm excited for this. I'm very excited for Pundi as well, folks. to reach minimum deployment of 50,000 XPOs. This is the beginning of 2019. We're not going to spend too much time on this. Let's see. Let's go ahead and click on their products really quick. Mobile payment. Not going to read through it. Card payment. Types of cards. The main card, the security card. So this is the dual screen. Which I feel like most merchants will most likely rely to this. You can also do a single screen, and then they're also going to have the desktop. The only difference is pretty much the single screen accepts Visa, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. So does the desktop. The dual screen doesn't. However, the desktop does not support mobile network and cannot be unplugged. But obviously, you can't be unplugged because you got to be connected from somewhere. But all these products are very, very similar. I would probably go with the single screen just because it accepts Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. And I feel like that's a pretty big market that you don't want to miss. But enough about that, folks. Pundi, great platform, fundamentally, technology, great. But let's go ahead and look at some price action. That's what you folks came here for. Bitcoin still above 9,500, folks. Waiting for that daily close above that level. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hours, see what the 4 hours showing us. This video is already at 6 minutes. No signs of slowing down, folks. Looks like we formed a higher low here at 9,200, and we're going to continue towards the upside. Next target is about 10,250. What happened here? Oh, I'm not supposed to be looking at Ripple. I'm supposed to be looking at Ethereum. But let me switch that really quick. Dang, Ethereum not slowing down. Activated our trade, formed that higher low down here at about 575. Consolidated here for a little bit, and now we're pushing towards the upside. Looks like our next target's about 750. Looks like we did hit a little minor resistance here at 700. Not surprised. Probably going to wait for it to consolidate a little bit. As you can tell, momentum has started to shift towards the downside. But I'd wait for that break and close above 710 before you decide to add to your position. Litecoin sitting at 165. I'm waiting for this thing to gain some momentum. It will eventually. Oops. Switch over to the 4 hour really quick. See what the 4 hour is showing us. Finally broke out of this level here at 155, 157. Broke out, came back down to tested for support here twice. Higher low here. What I'm waiting for here, folks, now is that break and close above 165. Once we do break and close above 165 on the 4 hour, should be good to go. My next target for Litecoin, folks, is 200. Although the 175 could give it a little bit of trouble. Momentum still shifting towards the upside, as you could tell. So my next target is about 200 to 225. But again, folks, it's just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. You guys already know. But you folks came here for some Pundi technical analysis. Go ahead, switch over to the 6 hour here. So this coin is still relatively new, folks, so we don't have too much information on it. But as you can tell, this is major support. I can't even draw on this chart, unfortunately. Came down, tested once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. This is a major support for me here. Just below 50 Satoshis. Currently sitting at 49 Satoshis. But if we go ahead and switch over to the 1 hour, we get a little better idea. Still no signs of slowing down. So what am I looking for, folks? Actually, I think this is a great psychological. This coin was just introduced. And the room towards the upside is a lot greater than the room towards the downside. So the risk reward for this is, phenomenal, I would say, in my personal opinion. So I would just add this to my portfolio it'd be a heavy risk, so I just add it small. But personally, I really like the idea of it, and I feel like it's already at a low price, so I might load up on it a little bit. We are at a major support, folks, so but where do I see this going? That's a little bit trickier since we don't have too much information. We're currently sitting at 50 Satoshis. I think we could easily, no problem, probably hit about 500 Satoshis, maybe 700 towards the end of the year, and then 1,000 by 2019. If I'm looking at USD value, probably going to say this coin is worth maybe about 45 to 50 cents, I want to say. And I'm probably undervaluing it. The idea of this is just phenomenal. Great idea, great technology. It's probably the cheapest it's ever going to be since it was just recently introduced to the market, folks. But I definitely recommend you guys read the white paper if you're interested. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys have post notifications turned on and you give this video a thumbs up. Also, I published an article on my Steemit, pretty much saying my ticket to financial, or our ticket, everyone's ticket to financial freedom. It's when Forex meets cryptocurrency. I think it's a wonderful opportunity. Definitely check that out if you guys haven't already. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.